Hey, Harper.
Hey.
What do you have there?
A frozen vending machine and these things, and also a frozen fan.
Nice. Okay, so it's mini fan, right? So we got some stuff from Sweet Avenue. What do you want to say to them? Alright, so we are going to take a look at some of these really cool stuff they sent over. Which one do you want to do first, Harper? Okay, so what is there? Show me.
There's candy.
There's candy inside. So this is an Elsa vending machine.
It has pink and white candy inside. That is not open yet.
They're not open yet, so they are sealed inside a plastic bag. That's what it looks like. Can you show me the vending machine part? The front of it. It has, what do you call this? I know what that's called. This thing, and if you twist it,
The candy will fall.
That's right.
I'm not sure if this is hard candy.
We don't know whether it's chewing gum or candy, so do you want to find out?
Maybe if we try.
I can try it. Or if,
Okay, how do you open this?
I think the top, you have to twist Elsa.
How do you take this off? Can you help me?
You need to use your fingers to pull them out.
Oh, there are 2 packs.
Yep. Looks like you have 2 packs.
This one started to open. Whoa. That's the pack. This is actually stuck in there. Really? Is this true? Oh man. Okay, let's open the candy and pour it inside.
Okay. Now you have to be super careful and try to get them inside. Now put the lid on.
Twist it the other way. There.
Hey.
It's rocky. It's
It's Rocky. So how do you play with this? And look, so what
You can put it upside down.
what I heard is
And it goes up.
it doesn't matter what you do with Rocky, it just stands back up. So do you want to try to flip him?
Whoa!
See if you flip him, he comes back up.
Oh my, this is really whoa, he really goes up like this. Whoa, this is cool. How do you even spin? Whoa, we can even spin. Let's see. Hit him, huh? Not sure who else I got. Whoa.
So much fun. What did it say you can do with it?
He can land. If you drop him, he can land. But if you put him upside down, he can come back up. That's super cool.
And if you spin him, do you want to try and spin him? Let's see what happens.
It's cool.
It is so cool. Alright, so what are the other things that you can get? So from this one, it comes with a little, what do you call this, catalog?
It's a catalog. We call it a catalog. Wait, I need a marker so I can check who I got.
Okay, so we have Rocky, Marshall, Chase, Sky, Rubble, Zuma, Everest, and Tracker. Harper got a marker. Which one are you going to mark? Rocky gets
It
check
says,
mark.
it really says find all 8 cups. It says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 cups in there.
Okay. Awesome. Alright, so we have one more. It's also a flipper, but it's from a different show, different franchise.
It is Hello Kitty.
It's Hello Kitty. Show me.
Whoa, Rocky was spinning after that.
This is Hello Kitty. It's the same exact thing. There's also Flipperz, candy, it's included, and these are the things that you can get from this one. They're so cute. Okay, Harper, it's time to open.
It's more easier.
Easier.
Wait, here's the one I got. Oh my, it's cute. And the catalog we got.
Who did we get? We got. Okay,
This one.
let's read what is here. So you can get a Hello Kitty ballerina, Hello Kitty red, Hello Kitty pineapple. They're all so cute. You can get
I got this
Hello
one.
Kitty strawberry, lemon, apple, angel, and red hood. And Harper got, what'd you get?
Hello Kitty Angel.
Angel. Okay, so you can go and mark. Look at Hello Kitty just doing its thing.
Okay, we got it. We got it. It even has wings.
It has
The
wings.
back.
Okay, so let's take a good look at the Hello Kitty Flipperz that Harper got. It's so cute. It's so adorable.
Whoa, you can even spin it. It can
And it
even go
has
up while
wings.
it's lying down.
And now Harper is going to start playing with They're so silly, but they're so cool and so much fun.
They can even bump each other.
Yeah. Wait, don't you have one more thing to open?
Yeah.
Okay, so last thing that Harper also got from Sweet Avenue folks would be an LOL
Surprise doll. Okay.
surprise doll.
I'm not sure if it's a. I'm not sure if it's also a Flipperz one.
No, I don't think this one is for Flipperz, but it says LOL surprise. And here's what's at the back. I think this one is candy. Do you want to open it?
I think so. Ugh, hard. Maybe I need this scissors.
Okay, let me open that for you real quick.
they were starting to stand out at the same time, and then boom. So funny.
He got stuck together. Alright, so please open the LOL surprise bag for us, and let's see what is inside.
Ooh, it's so cute.
What you get? Okay, so
I
as
got
usual, it has
Aww,
candy.
they are chains.
This is hard candy.
Look, mommy, these are chains.
Chains. Let's take a look.
They are really chains.
So Harper got this little thing.
We got this one.
Let's take a look. Ooh, so cute. So it is like a little keychain. So you can put it where, Harper? Where do you think you can put this keychain?
How about on my bag?
On your bag, right? Or if you have like a coin purse or a purse, that would be really cute. And these are the other stuff that you can get
Daddy,
from
look.
that. A lot of different dolls. Alright. So cool. Everything that you got are all really nice.
Look,
and
guys.
Alrighty, so is that it? That's all that you're reviewing today, Harper?
Yeah.
What do you think about the stuff that you got?
They are great. Thank you.
Sweet Avenue. Alrighty, okay.